Hi again. Now let's look at some more microorganisms. So bacteria, they're very small organisms, usually from 1 to 5 thousandths of a millimeter in length, which are extremely abundant in all environments. They occur as single cells, but sometimes they are linked into chains called filaments. Most cause decay by secreting digestive enzymes. Say that 3 times fast. Some attack living tissue, causing disease. For example, gum disease. Da, da, da. Now this is exactly why you should clean your teeth, boys and girls. Look at that. Do you want your mouth to end up looking like that? Brush your teeth day and night. Some bacteria can photosynthesize, and they are called the blue-green bacteria because of their colour. Photosynthesize means that they can produce their own foods and energies through the sunlight. They require moisture and a suitable temperature to remain active. In unsuitable environments, they form extremely resistant spores, which can survive for very long periods in hostile conditions. They can become quite a problem in the environment. Bacterial shapes. There are 3 common shapes of bacterial cells. They are the round cells, the cocci, the rod-shaped, which is the bacilli, and the spiral-shaped is the spirochete. I'm going to say it like that. I could be wrong. Some bacterial diseases. So some bacterial disease include tuberculosis. I can't say that word today. Tuberculosis. You know what I mean. Tuberculosis. That might be it. And that's a disease in the lungs. Syphilis, gonorrhea, tetanus, which is not very common these days in first world countries, can be extremely painful, causing muscle spasms and lockjaw. Typhoid fever, the bubonic plague, which was caused by infected mice, bacteria-infected lice or fleas, bacteria-infected fleas, which bit humans and transferred that disease to humans. Leprosy and cholera, which is another one which is spread by drinking bacteria, water with bacteria in it. Protozoa are single-celled animals that are abundant in aquatic environments and in moist soil. So here, I'll just move my face so we can see all of those. Many feed on bacteria or microscopic algae, and some are parasitic and cause disease, such as malaria. That's these ones here, the Plasmodium. These are your malaria spreading parasitic protozoa. Some viruses are highly complex organic molecules that can infect living cells and take over their functioning, causing disease. So viruses, not very nice. There's some nasty ones out there, such as these ones which you can see. You might recognize some of those. The virus microorganisms are quite complex. Viral diseases include, there's Theo, colds and flu, rabies, polio, measles, mumps, chickenpox, AIDS, hepatitis, and warts. Some viruses are worse than others, but there you go. Viruses are so small they can only be seen with an electron microscope, which I showed you a couple of videos ago. And that's it for other microscopic organisms. Bye.